Yeah. And again, I'm going to ask the question. Feel free to, you know, slough it off if you need to. But I mean, how did you fund this? I mean, how did you fund the acquisition of a closed down laundromat? Did you pay for that cash and then finance equipment? What did that look like?
So I got a great deal. Obviously, rates have gone up. Things are more expensive today. The fact that I was an experienced business owner allowed me to get access to capital at better terms than if I were completely brand new. So even though I was brand new to the laundromat industry, I brought 20 years of business experience with me, and that helped me a lot. I financed as much as I could. I put down a very small down payment because I knew that my cash was going to be needed once those doors opened. I'm fully attended. I've got salaries. I've got all those types of expenses. I've got rent because we don't own, in our area. It's not easy to actually own a building in Northern California. It's usually by, venture firms and, other large institutions. So I wanted to put as little capital down as I could early on because I knew I was going to have to put up capital month after month for a period of time. So I planned from day one.